the two R's. Learn to say, read, and write in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक टीस्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hi everyone, welcome to day 19 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary words are likhna, likhna, likhna. Likhna means to write in Hindi. And yes, it is a verb. Therefore, we will normally drop our na ending to bring us down to the root of the verb, which is lik, which we'll use in sentences and use after we conjugate it and add different endings to that root. Our second vocabulary word of the day is padhna, 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 which means either to read or it can also mean to study. Padhna, padhna. This is also a verb. Therefore, we will also normally drop the na ending before we use this word in a sentence. And pad would be our root of this verb. Our grammar key for today is मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I read or I study English. And this is how we would say it if we happen to be a male or a man. And if we happen to be a woman, we would say मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ती हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ती हूँ. We've added the ta and the t verb endings. The conjugation to this verb that we've added is the masculine singular or the masculine plural ending, that ta or that t, depending on whether you are male or female when you speak this sentence. Our second grammar key is क्या आप हिंदी लिखते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी लिखते हैं? Do you write Hindi? And in this case, we're asking this question of a man. क्या आप हिंदी लिखते हैं? Do you write Hindi? If we were to ask a woman, we would say क्या आप हिंदी लिखती हैं? क्या आप हिंदी लिखती हैं? Do you write Hindi? All right, we're going to spend a minute or two drilling this. क्या आप हिंदी पढ़ते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी पढ़ते हैं? Do you read or study Hindi? We're asking a man. To which he could respond, हाँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी पढ़ता हूँ. Yes, I read or I study Hindi. क्या आप हिंदी और अंग्रेजी लिखते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी और अंग्रेजी लिखते हैं? Do you write Hindi and English? Do you write Hindi and English? And again, we are asking this question of a man, to which he could respond, हाँ, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी लिखता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी लिखता हूँ. Yes, I write Hindi and English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी लिखती हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी लिखती हैं? Do you write English? And we're asking a woman this. And she could respond, नहीं, मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं लिखती हूँ. नहीं, मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं लिखती हूँ. No, I do not write English. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us for this 30-day Hindi challenge. I hope you guys are having a great time doing it. Continue to share this with your friends as we get close to the end. And I'm going to be telling you about some options that we have to continue your Hindi learning journey after this 30-day challenge comes to an end. All right, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye.